Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. Please subscribe, share, and like. 2015 Chevrolet Suburban or Denali or Chevy is a big car, as you see here. Our problem is that we don't have no parking light. There is no parking light. We don't know what happened. We check all the fuses. Everything look okay. But signal is okay, but there is nothing coming out. This is the car. Chevrolet Tahoe. Tahoe also the same. So we don't have nothing, but there is no parking light on, which is very strange. Grill shutter, active grill shutter. This is like a performance piece that in front of the radiator. Okay, auto scan. I'm gonna scan the whole car to see what's going on. Engine control module. I have 4 faults. Transmission no fault. Brake 1 fault. Instrument no fault. Driver control module if his car is hybrid. Power control module. Oh. Amplifier, auxiliary transmission fluid demo, battery energy control, distance, front view camera, body control module. You have 3 faults in body control module. We don't know why, but we're gonna look at that. That's what our concern, the body control module. Maybe the body control module is no good. Multi-axis acceleration report. Okay, I gotta go back down to the line. Intake air temperature is disconnected. Intake air voltage sensor disconnect. Air temperature. Oh yeah, the air flow meter sensor was disconnected. Transfer case is no good. That's the amplifier. Body control module. Passenger window calibration. License plate lamp circuit short to battery. License plate lamp circuit human machine interface control. So license plate lamp circuit, yes. License plate lamp circuit open. License plate lamp circuit short to battery. Maybe this is a problem here. If this is short, it can shut down the system. I am not sure. Lift gate, license, lift gate position sensor. Escape this. Body control. Okay, no live data. Exterior light. Nothing is here. Nothing is work. Okay, right turn signal work. Everything is 0. Nothing is working. Left front park lamp daytime running. Everything is 0. Nothing is working. Let me see something. Okay, let me go back and see if a special function. Active test. Horn relay blow. Activate. Inactivate. Okay. Interior light. Exterior light. Parking lamp. Activate. Left indicator daytime running. Okay. 0 left park. 0. Okay. Activate. Active. Let me see. Nothing. Nothing is work. Nothing is work. Okay, inactive. You see now inactive. Park lamp relay command. You see here? That's relay command. 0 inactive. Inactive right now, you see. So park lamp relay command is active. So if it's active, why it doesn't come on? We're gonna look for that. Where it's coming on, how does it go? Because it's active, it doesn't come out. Lamp relay, park lamp relay command. We're gonna look for that relay where it is. So I would like to check those fuses here. BCM 4, BCM 7, BCM 6.